Hello and welcome. Today we will be learning about SWOOD boxes. A SWOOD box is a SOLIDWORKS assembly designed to be reused easily and resized. So in the case of this cabinet that we see in front of us, if we wanted to make a bunch of cabinets that had a similar vanity countertop on them, we could make a SWOOD box and drag and drop it in to the models, and it would be that easy. So today we're going to explore making a quick and easy SWOOD box for this top of the vanity. I'm going to go to my SolidWorks added and just show here's the cabinet that we need a top for. If I go to my SWOOD design tab, I can go into my SWOOD box library and make a new SWOOD box file. Call this one Vanity 2 since I've already made a first one as a demo. And I can double click on it to open that. You can see there's a little bit of a different template involved with SWOOD design. We have a few extra planes than you're used to seeing with inside SolidWorks. So these control the outer boundaries of things, and you have to think about how they're going to hook up to the models that you drag and drop them into. I'm going to change the size of this box here just to look more like a countertop. And something like this. Now, because of the way my frames are drawn, I have to draw the vanity on top of the top plane. It's easy to create panels within SWOOD design. There's a tool that helps us place panels. I can add a panel in, drag it, and connect it to these planes, and easily lock down the edges of the panels with mates. This will allow it to easily resize. Just going to add some panels all the way around here. Back. Connect it to these inner pieces of those. And just check and make sure everything I needed to lock down is locked down. I'm going to put some heights on these few things with an edit command. Maybe they're 3 inches tall. And we don't have to show all these planes. Each panel shows some planes. I'm going to hide all these with my toggle of my eye there. If I want to edit any of these parts, I can edit a part. Let's make a hole for a sink here. There's a line. And maybe we'll use an ellipse for the shape for the sink. Something like this. Just cut right through that panel. There we go. So we've created an assembly that we can reuse now by dragging and dropping it into something else. And it'll resize based on what it's dropped into. Let's go ahead and test this thing out. Save the file. I can close it now for all that matters. There's my Vanity 2. I can just drag it into the model, drop it, and it automatically resizes to fit this cabinet. If I change the size of this cabinet at all, we could change the width of this to maybe, well, I don't know, 65, maybe it's wider. You can see the vanity top should change size with it. And if you ever drag and drop these into different frames, you could see how that could speed up your work. You can easily add these assemblies in. I hope you enjoyed the video tech tip today. Thanks for watching.